Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a pepper salad. This is not sweet pepper and not chili, it's average taste. It's Padron peppers from Lidl supermarket. Padron peppers. So, and we need 2 packs. We got 2 packs with 1 lemon. I will show you. First we need to wash the peppers very well. Now we wash pepper by pepper properly with water, like that. Now after washing pepper properly with water and washing 1 lemon, we will start cutting pepper. So both sides, the end and at the top, like that. Just get rid of this and then you can cut half or leave it and then put there. So we will keep doing that, and then there again, here. After cutting pepper both sides, top and bottom, we will add the extra virgin olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil, and also balsamic vinegar. So this is extra virgin olive oil. That's it for the taste, nice flavor. And then vinegar. Then we cut lemon for flavor as well, both sides. Then squeeze them like that. That's it at the side. And now we start mixing them by 2 spoons. You can keep it in a fridge for 20 minutes, half an hour, and then it can be served. It's very nice, or you can be served straight away. It will make it delicious, lovely taste. And cutting some onions, lemon, sorry. Taking out the seeds, and then like that here. And here. Take out the seeds, like that. Nice, lovely pepper salad. Easy to make and very healthy. Always go green, healthier for your health. Thanks. Have a nice day. Please subscribe. Bye.